Yes.
The man of the hour?
Terrence.
Yes, sir.
All right, man. I'm gonna have you right here. I'm gonna get some portrait shots of you.
Okay.
Then we're gonna do that pool like you suggested, while he's getting all set up. So what I want you to do basically is just like, you know, fold your hands.
Okay.
Just like that. Perfect. Now, step up just a little bit more. All right. And I want you to turn towards this light just a little bit, and then you're gonna look towards me. All right. So now let's get my test here. Let's see. Focus first. 1, 2, 3. Let me just see how this looks. Oh man, you're a superstar, man. Straight out of the gate. I don't have to do much.
Oh, that's perfect. It's close.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's perfect.
All right, let's do that. Perfect. All right. Yeah, man. All right, 1, 2. Let me get my focus here. It's dark in here, so it's hard. 1, 2, 3. Wonderful. One more. You can put like maybe like one hand in your pocket. There we go. Wonderful. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Take a look at this. Oh my gosh. Man. These look awesome. All right, move back up here. More. Focused. All right, there we go. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Take a look here. Yeah, man, these are great. Hang on, let me just back this up just a little bit. And yeah. Hang on. Let me do this. Trying to eliminate some of the distractions in the background. Let me see, Terrence. Let me have you like right here, Terrence. Oh man, now he messing my shot. Nah, you're good. He's gonna move in a minute, I'm hoping. All right, just leaning up there. Come forward a little bit. There we go, perfect. All right, right there. All right. Let's focus here. All right, 1, 2, 3. Gorgeous. Let me just see this. Let me bring this around a little bit. One more. So I got my focus. 1, 2, 3. Just increase this 1 second. All right, there we go. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Said you had your iPad, right?
Yeah, I was coming to grab.
Oh, perfect.
All right, awesome. All right. So I'm gonna have you just interacting with your iPad, but let me just get my light in right here first. Jess, do me a favor. That yeah. This is just another test. One second. Can't see anything in here. All right, there we go. Sync.
Looking good.
This is just another test here, just testing my light.
Okay.
Okay, that looks awesome. All right, so now we're gonna. All right, so interact on your laptop there. Hang on, let me get my focused. 1, 2, 3. We're smiling, we're happy, yeah. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Gorgeous. Beautiful. Keep doing that. Keep doing your thing. 1, 2, 3. Gorgeous. One more. Keep doing your thing. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. Yeah, that's nice. Lovely. Beautiful. Awesome. All right. I wanted to get a full length of you, but actually we could do it right here. Let's get a full length. Right here. Because I'm trying to eliminate the distractions. So like before how we were doing that, you can lean up against that. You could probably like, you know, yeah, come forward a little bit. There we go. All right, wonderful. All right, let me just get a test shot to get my light in here. Oh, hang on. Okay. All right, let's see here. This is just a test. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna move you over this way. All right. Oops, sorry about that. All right, let's see this now, see how this looks. 1, 2, 3. I don't like when lights don't want to work with me. That's what I bought it for, right? Hang on. I put it on some mode here that is auto. Pretty much. Just tell me what you think is the right thing. And it's telling me the wrong thing. So I need to make it behave. 1, 2, 3. Did that not fire?
Yeah.
This fire? Didn't show up here. So, let's see. Watch your eyes. Okay, hang on. Let's see what's going on now. 1, 2. Much better. Much better. I'm just analyzing this really quick. Split-second decisions, you know?
Oh, yeah.
But you're doing good. It's just I have to make the light behave. All right. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I like that better. Now, looking off that way, there we go. Turn down just a little bit. Where your face is great, but just bring your eyes around over here a little bit, yeah. Turn your face a little bit more that way. All right, perfect, hold that. Hang on, let me get my focus here. 1, 2, 3. Eyes to me. There we go, 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Yeah, that's the ticket there. Let me just get one more for safety. 1, 2, 3. All right, so let's see if they're still playing back there. I could take some more shots, you know? I'm always greedy. As long as you're game, I'm game.
Oh, I'm game, man.
All right, let me see. What made you want to start a cigar lounge? What made you want to start a cigar lounge?
I'm actually looking for somebody to sell cigars. You know anybody that sells them?
No.
Cigar business.
Oh, but that's the primary. That's one of the attractions of this place, the cigars.
Well, no, I don't have any. The attraction is the best of them. So you can shop, buy all things made, and then come here and lounge.
Oh, so what kind of stuff are you going to be selling in here?
I have a soup vendor.
Okay.
Cologne oils,
Okay.
watches, socks, candles, wallets, money clips, glasses, chains, anything guys you can think of the guys will buy.
Oh, awesome. And then the cigar,
Shoes,
and the cigars
fit right in.
just hang out. Okay.
Yeah.
That's
Of course, you
really
can't
nice.
smoke in here, but you can purchase it.
Oh, you can't smoke? That would have been nice. That would have been nice. So this back here is just going to be what, like the hangout?
Yep, so it's a TV on that wall. You can watch live sporting events. Of
Okay.
course, you can shoot pool. It's going to be a TV in there and 2 barber chairs you can play video games, like a gaming area.
Okay.
And the lounger in the back, so we're playing like spades, Uno, things like that. So it's going to be dope.
Man, I got to come here
You
for
gotta
open
come.
night.
April 3rd is grand opening.
Yeah, I got to come and check it out.
Okay, please do, man.
Yeah, that sounds very exciting, man.
I'm excited. It's going to be dope.
What made you come up with that
So-
concept?
You got to hear my wife.
No, I did not.
Well,
Did
her store is upstairs.
Mhm.
So this is actually our third store.
Third.
The first location was in Triangle Mall, but our lease ended and we didn't renew because COVID hit, so we stopped and we opened upstairs in October.
Okay.
So everybody was asking like, when you gonna do something for me? And I was kind of putting it off, and then finally, now that I have the time, I was like, let me do it. So,
Awesome. That is awesome. All right, let's see here if this light want to behave. Let's get this here. Hang on. 1, 2, 3.